That's not a lane.
Why would the first book begin not about people or about a specific?
Why can't you answer a simple question? What good would it do for you to read Scripture?
Well, exit regret.
Regulator warnings about the scams go unheeded. Those who question the hype get shouted down on social media. Crypto is now one of the all-time biggest bubbles in financial history, and it's ready to burst.
Whoa, jeez.
With talk therapy or any of these other things, and so
I don't think you can do that.
Back on track. And
It's going to be. You can't rely on this. Dealing with
Nope.
depression, you can't rely on this.
And it's a whole migrational thing going on in the solar system. It's
Red light run.
migration.
But at the same time,
that was
there
really just the last thing I was going to say.
Depressing things that are happening. Oh, I'm sorry. What's that?
Yeah,
That was an exit
that was
regret
just
over
the
there.
last
If you pause and think if this could be offensive, again, like I said before, most
Red light
likely
run.
it is. But in
That's part of the. This, I don't want to give anything away, but it is important that they were these size differences and
Yeah.
willing to do that one. I had no.
Until the Tesla founder's mystifying tweets arrived, few
Red
people
light
had
run.
heard of.
On your knees hurt, I want you to step up and say, "Oh, body, you're trying to take care of me again. Thank you. Thank you."
Oh, what a
I like
douchebag.
this guy. And he's to college. I've been producing shows for a decade.
No turn on, Rad.
Forget it, James. He gets to choose his behaviors. He gets to choose his thoughts, and he gets.
You
to choose
didn't
what
stop.
happens next. Not me. We've just pointed our finger at two of the main drivers for your alarm systems going off.
Really?
So here's another thing I want you to be.
He has his right signal on.
I want you to be real with yourself. I want you to keep it a buck with yourself. If you're watching
Exit
from
dive.
YouTube, I really want you.
Well, she had an adverse reaction. And why, why shouldn't they say, you see, this is a good reason not to get it?
A little bit.
All right, it's headspace, everybody. You know, what the fuck did
red light run.
farted over there. Diagnosed myself with no fucking background, so I just figured both of those are kind of wide open.
Yeah, I would
Come
like
on.
to come up with an idea that would make both sides.
There's never been a better time to upgrade your look. Indochino's Black Friday event has their lowest
Ran right through the
prices
stop.
every year on suit.
Red light run. And someone's horny.
cultural opinion. What do you have to say about it?
Yeah, so the next slate.
Red light run. That Hyundai.
Poly relationships still face. I mean, you talked about it just now, Dan. Some of the
Didn't stop.
reactions. What does that look like day to day?
Red light run.
On the beach, and when you will pull in, this is about maybe 8 o'clock at night. Our car.
Exit dive.
What are we talking about here? What does pet play look like out in the wild? Like, what are some
Rolled
of
to
the
stop,
various
Penske.
forms, you could look up and see and go, oh, that's pet play. They are pet play.
And another roll to
Where's the
stop.
boundaries there?
Patriots pick was my fucking warm blanket for the week going, okay? As much as I hate this week, I know
He
I'll
didn't
get
stop.
One. I'll get one. I might
Red light runners. Seriously.
Is that a thing? No. She didn't, but I'm just wondering, can you say that, or is that
I've never heard that. So
Red light run.
Snapchatting?
Yeah, it's kind of a long road.
It is.
I've been relying on my wife to keep me in.
Why are you going in the wrong direction?
Love it. Yeah. I am never not amazed by what.
Uh-oh,
video games
Nissan driver was in the left lane, wrong
I only
lane.
played Sims 4 for
He
like
was,
a hot minute.
you know what?
I have no
You saw what
idea.
happened.
It's
fucking guy in the Incredibles.
No turn on, Red.
And this is how you end up doing HGH. Or if you're a woman, how you end up getting fucking, you know.
Nathan, rather than worrying about some kind of mutual fund investment at this point, you are a better investment than a mutual fund is. You're going to make more return on it by using it to ensure that you graduate debt-free, ensure that you're able to make your transitions without any, it just gives you a little grease in the wheel, right, Ken?
Absolutely. What do you want to do? You have a good idea specifically? I know the industry that you're headed to, but what would be that great job right out of college?
So that's the thing.
Are you lost?
About that. I'm not entirely sure. I was a insurance sales.
The Rams practice. It's like, we never did that. It was fucking bullshit. It was completely debunked. ESPN ran with the story, and when they did their detraction on their Twitter at like 2 in the morning after fucking...
Alright, if you know that your car can't accelerate for shit, why'd you pull out in front of me?
Had tidal influence on the moon.
Okay.
The moon at one time
Red light
rotated
run. Red
like
light
anybody
run.
else
Red light run.
in the solar system.
That's right.
Yep.
And then that happened, and then the pandemic happened. And
Uh-oh. I think someone wanted to make a left turn, but was in the wrong lane. Toyo turd.
Oh, no. If you're going to do something like this, please reconsider the name, okay? Like,
Red light run.
Would make a lot more sense. I was listening to these sound bites, but I think it's important to get a few examples of what's going on, and then we're going to get more specific. Earth to exist today, an old Earth would be scientifically impossible. A shrinking sun.
Really? You just go right through,
a
Nissan driver?
Earth. The textbook says, quote,
I really wish I
didn't stop.
How many.
So, for people who don't know, give us a couple of...
You didn't stop, Subaru.
Other people...
Hi, my current major is aerospace engineering. However, I'm considering swapping my focus to botany and horticulture.
Red light run.
I'd love
Red light
to
run.
branch into the study of how we can see.
This is the thing that bothers me about...
You're not going to find anything about resurrection.
Runs through the stop.
Talk about Pliny the Younger. He's giving
Runs
like a
through the
letter to
stop.
an emperor, from my understanding.
Backup of shame. Exit dive. Really?
I don't have any words, man. You've obviously listened to the show.
Went right through the stop sign. Toyo turd.
It doesn't matter whether you live in Africa.
Really?
It doesn't matter whether you're in Australia, Asia, Europe. It just doesn't matter. Humans are humans, and you shouldn't be tortured.
The Muslims were the nice ones. The Christians were the ones organizing.
Yeah, I flashed my high beams and you're still not turning them on.
Massacring the Jewish.
The pile of soil. The choir sang their melodious music and dance in expectation of
Just
a
rolled right through.
of
Toyota.
With like this much of our heads showing at the top.
Oh God! You know, and I apologize for laughing, but at the same time,
Yeah, I rolled the stop again.
It hits us.
Everybody, see what's going on around you. Stop. Really?
That is actually a symptom of the top-down messaging that Catherine is talking about, and the
Didn't stop.
disinformation that's being foisted on these people.
No one stops.
He took me off the line, and then I caught him.
No trailers in the left lane. No, you cannot be there while he's moving over now. If we're in Connecticut, but I caught him for a second, so it counts, I guess. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you next week in the next video. Okay, bye.